Adobe Firefly can be a great way to brainstorm and visualize materials before building them out. And here's how. Heading over to firefly.adobe.com, let's start crafting our prompt. For generations like these, I like breaking them down into sections, using commas to keep common elements and ideas together. Generating this prompt should leave us with a decent looking material. But let's look at how a few settings can steer it in different directions. For more realistic looking outputs, I like setting the content type to photo, then adding on the hyper-realistic effect. If you're looking for something more stylized, try switching the content type to art. Increase the visual intensity, then add the word stylized to the prompt. Alright, these are looking pretty nice, but what about more stylized? Let's throw on the cartoon effect under themes, and drop the visual intensity a touch. This will leave us with a material that's definitely more stylized. You can get pretty creative once you start experimenting with the various effects, content types, and of course, prompts. Here are a few other fun materials I've generated to get you inspired. And in future videos, I'll show you how to use them to stylize text and much more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe for more content, send me your generated materials on social, and I'll see you all next time.